everyone. Today we are going to talk about prepositions. As we have already studied about prepositions in our schools, but still we might revise it so that we'll get a better understanding of preposition, and in grammar section if prepositions are asked, we should be clear with that. Right? Still people get confused with prepositions, so it is very important to revise it. Now, preposition is what? So, prepositions are the word that we use before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with the other word in sentence. So, if you want to connect your noun and pronoun with the other word, then you utilize preposition. So, if I'm sitting on a chair, I'm walking to her. So, I am sitting on a chair. So, on is a preposition. I am walking to her. So, you are connecting a pronoun to the other word in the sentence. Walking is connected with her. So there are prepositions of location, direction, and time. So what are preposition of location? So on, in, under, in front, among, and between. On is utilized to specify a location. In, under, in front, among, between. Right? These are location preposition. Right? Apple is on table. Apple is under the table. So where is the location of apple? Under, on, right? So it gives the location of your noun. In front of Suresh, right? I'm standing in front of Suresh. So that is giving my location, right? Against the wall. I'm standing against the wall. I'm going inside the door, right? So giving my location, I'm inside the door. So against mean next to, touching, on upright surface, or for support. So the boy is leaning against the wall. I am leaning against the whiteboard. Don't lean against the wall. It's just been painted, right? So against is also location. So the person is standing against the wall, right? So it gives the location of the person. So it is connecting the noun, the person, to its location, right? I'm sitting among the children, right? This cat is between two cats, fine? My cat is between two street cats. So that is connecting nouns, right? Don't stand beside me. I'm standing behind you, right? Again, location. Then there is preposition of direction. So it gives, you go to this side, through, across, along, into, over, around. So it gives direction to the noun, right? For example, I'm walking to school. So I'm directing walking to school. So I am, the noun is walking to school. So it gives my direction, noun's direction, right? Richard came into the room. Again, direction, right? So into is used to show motion or movement, right? The cat jumped into the box. The ball fell into the river. She poured some boiling water into teapot. The men threw rubbish into the river. So it is giving direction of the rubbish, right? So direction is shown by preposition of the noun. She has returned from town. They walked along the road. There are many gift shops along Jalan Chowkit. The boy ran across the road. Right? Across means the opposite side. The boy swam across the pond. City is walking across the road. Ali walked across the river by using the old bridge. Again, direction. They are running around the tree. Direction. Around means moving in circle. The cat ran around the stool chasing the mouse. The Tim jumped over the fence. Right? The boy jumped over the fence. The cat leaps over the drain. Over is also a preposition. The bird flew in through the window, right? Again a location. Through is preposition. Ali kicked the ball through the window. Amir threw the rubbish through the window. Right? Preposition of time. So direction, location. Now there is time. So preposition of time are by, for, before, after, since, at, and during. So here you can see examples. So these are preposition of time. right? By, for, before, after, since, at, and during. So she will come by 5:15. So time preposition. Can you come before me? Can you come after me? Again, it is showing that I'll come before you, right? So if I'll come at 5, you will come at 5:15, right? During this period, I was doing nothing. So that is again showing that during that time I was doing nothing. The noun was doing nothing, right? Can you come at Shiva's complex? Can we meet at Shiva's complex? Right? So this all is showing time. So these all prepositions are showing time, right? So there are many examples of it. We'll do the exercise so that it will be easy to understand for you people. Thank you for watching this video.